In this video, I'm going to teach you how to stop recurring payments on your PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about recurring payments on the PlayStation 5 and how to turn them off. If you are using a subscription service like PlayStation Plus or anything else, maybe inside of a game, and you want to make sure that you are not charged recurringly, then follow these instructions and you will be able to disable those recurring payments. With this method, you will still have access to all of the benefits and features of a specific subscription service, and you won't lose them right away, of course, until the expiration date comes. So all that you have to do is first go into the settings of your PlayStation 5 and then access users and accounts. You will see your icon here and then go over to this category. Inside of users and accounts, under the account category, which should be the default one, go to payment and subscriptions. As the name suggests, in here you will be able to manage all of the payment methods, but most importantly the subscriptions that you have active, aka recurring payments. So choose subscriptions and you will see a list. The main one that most people will want to cancel is PlayStation Plus, of course. When you choose this option, you will see all of the information about your PlayStation Plus subscription, so the duration, the publisher, when the next charge is going to be, and so on. You will see the current status, and if it says in use or active, this button should say turn off auto renewal or something similar like cancel subscription. When you choose this, the thing that scares most people is that they are going to tell you that you will be losing all of these benefits, you won't have access to all of them. As you can clearly see, they state you will lose access. However, this will only come into play on the specified date, so you can cancel this and you will still be able to use all of these features until the expiration date comes. So all that you have to do is choose the cancel subscription option and this subscription will be canceled. Of course, they are going to offer you other plans and they are going to ask you to stay, but you shouldn't have to worry. If you want to ensure that recurring payments are going to be off, just cancel the subscription and you will not be charged on the next renewal date. This will switch to not in use and you will be able to enjoy all of the benefits until the specified date. And on this date, your card or your payment method will not be charged as long as you disabled the renewal. I hope I was able to help you on how to stop recurring payments on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.